What's that? Ay, that's from Tita Cha. Let's open. Open. You want to see it? Come, come. Sira. Sira pa. Thank you, Tito BR. Thank you, Tita Ann. Sige pa. Sira pa. Sira. Sira. Wow. 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 Sira siya din eh. Oh, ito pa. Ito namang side. Kabila. Sira mo side na to. Ito namang side. May bagong... Ay, very good. Wow. Ito namang kabilang side. Sira. Get natin to. Get natin. Tatago natin to. Ito pa. Sira pa to. Andiyan namin sa lamesa mo. 100% na yun. And this one is from Tita Cha.
Oh, may battery.
Ang galing ah. Battery operated. Bawal mabasa, no? Wow. Hindi na dyan. Oh. This one is from Tita Cha. Oh, it's so cute oh. Oh, thank you, Tita Cha. Kenzo. Let me check. Outfit check, outfit check. Outfit check. Hello, bagay kay Kenzo, ani. Outfit check. Thank you, Tita Cha. One more. May Huawei pa and monetary gift. Air Kenzo Pogi from Ninang Cha. Oh, ito na po, ito na po. And this one, Kenzo. Lucky, good luck. Wow! Safari! Wow! And a letter from Tita Cha. Let's read. Dear baby Pogi, happy birthday baby, 1-year-old Kenzo. I thank God for your life and existence. At you are the gift of God to us, especially for your Mama Rochelle and Papa Julius. I know you wouldn't remember this, but when you get old, but we want you to know that this is our celebration and a way of thanking God that He has given to you to our lives. I love you, we love you, Ninang Cha. And there is a verse, Jeremiah 39, verse 17 to 18. I will come here, come to mommy. I will receive you on that day. You will not be given into the hands of those you fear. I will save you, and I will not fall by the sword, but will escape from your life because you trust in me, declares the Lord. Say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you, everyone. Open the book from Kuya Bimbo. Do you want the battery? Let's place a battery na so you can play with it. Please count how many figures. Oh. There's a pen, also a pen. May ilaw pa?
Tsaka
Taray.
headlight. Kabit na. Battery na lang.
Anong battery niya? Hoy, busina pa. Kenzo, say thank you. Thank you. Can you say please thank you? Say thank you. Hi. Arte ha. Hello, Kuya Dala. Nakalbo. Apakan niya, honey.
Wow.
No? Ang paa pa rin di sumasayat. Ganda naman. Wow.
Meron din siyang gulong dito.
Dito, yes. Kenzo, ay, lumalabas po si Kenzo boy sa kanyang walker. Ay, hindi na. Ikaw ha, tumatakas ka na naman sa walker mo ha. Ginit? Tara na. Ano?
Hindi naman nilalabas yung kanya. Yeah.
So, Fluffy, tanggalin natin yan. Fluffy, no? Sobrang lambot. So, pawakan, no? Oops, next. Gunting na natin yan. Gunting. Ay. Wait lang, no? Wait lang. Borrow muna, mami. Borrow muna. Saglit lang. Borrow lang. Yay! And the big gift. This is from Tita Malot. Okay, so paano natin ito i-open? Do the ritual. Ito humila. Hila. Ay, sorry. Oo. Dali, Scratch ito. Ano ito? Parang motor. Broom! May broom si Kenzo boy. Set up mo kay Daddy. Hala, honey walker. Parang, ay ano siya? Wow! May panggala na si Kenzo. Parang pang racetrack, honey. Parang bike. Apat yung gulong. Parang bike na apat yung gulong. Hey, brum brum brum.
Yummy, open the gate.
Dang dang dang.
Wala, mainit na. Bilis, balik na sa parking.